Welcome back to Tiffany Baby TV. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I am back with another wig tutorial. This is part 2 of the wig collaboration that I am doing with the lovely Camira Jewels, brought to you courtesy of Beauty Nation. I wanted to show you guys step by step how you can make a lace wig using a 13x6 frontal and hair glue. After bleaching these knots and dyeing this frontal and the bundles in our last video, we're going to be putting this together from start to finish. I'm going to install this unit, and we'll also see how the lovely Camira's unit turned out. Are you guys ready? Come on, watch me work. You'll start by placing your frontal. You'll want to pull this down about a half an inch lower than the cap itself. And I'm going to pin that in place. Next, we will pin the sides. You want to make sure that everything lies flush from top to bottom. Once you're happy with the placement of your frontal, I suggest marking that so that you have a guide for the placement of your glue, because we're going to be lifting these pins to use the glue. Starting with our longest of the 3 bundles, we'll be installing our tracks in this pattern. Alright, so this is the last piece of track that we have from the first bundle. I'm just going to put this here in the center so that we have even fullness all the way around. We are not quite done with our second bundle. We still have this much left of that, but we have reached the crown of our wig. And because I have a 14-inch frontal, I do want to use the shortest bundle so that I get some natural layering. So I'm going to switch here to our 16-inch. Next, In order to close this wig so that it lies as flat as possible, we're going to start laying these tracks horizontally. Do you see why we use the shower cap now? To keep this from sticking to our cork head? And girlfriend, your wig is done. Now this wig is super duper dense, so I'm sure I will be taking my razor comb to this. I'm going to let this glue dry completely, and then I'm going to straighten it, and I'll be right back with you guys to show you guys the final look. Here is how this unit turned out. While I tie this down and let this dry, let's check out Kamira's video and see how her wig turned out. I know it's absolutely gorgeous. Hey girl, hey!
This is what it looks like at the front. This is the right side. This is the left side. And this is the back. Now you will notice that as it gets towards the bottom, it tapers. So it gets thinner as you get towards the end, and I actually quite like that because it makes it look more natural. Now of course you do have the option to trim it a little bit to make it more even, but I like it like this.
I am so surprised that she kept that wig in a natural black color. You guys, I just knew for sure she was going to color it and dye it and kill it. If you don't know my girl Kamira, she specializes in the most colorful wigs you can think of. She is always willing to try those colors that you see on the website and you're like, I just don't know if that'll look good on me. I'm scared to order that. I don't know how that'll look in real life. And she'll try them out for you. She reviews them for you. She'll let you know all the real tea and you'll get to see what they look like in person. So if you're not already subscribed to her channel, make sure that you head on over. Her video will be linked down below. All right, you guys, this is the final look. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I love these waves. I love this color. I love this style. I love how this came out, you guys. I would say I did that. What do you think? Make sure that you comment down below. If you liked this video and if you found it helpful and informative, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. Make sure that you also head on over to Kamira's video. Check her out. Make sure that you hit subscribe and comment on her video as well. Tell her that Tiffany Baby sent you. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you leave them down below. Thank you one last time to Beauty Nation for hooking your girl up with this gorgeous human hair slay. This event would not be complete if I didn't go ahead and do one last thing before I go. Wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, hey! I love you, girl. Bye, guys.